How to use Zoom video conferencing. In your browser, go to yorkville-tfs.zoom.us, or from the online campus, clicking the Zoom icon will bring you to the same page. Click the Sign In button. Enter your school email, followed by your password. From here, you can either join or host a meeting. Please note, some browsers do not support audio by computer. Please test your audio in advance of the meeting to ensure you do not have difficulty joining the meeting at the scheduled time. You can test your computer audio by hosting a meeting, then selecting Start from your browser to see if your browser is compatible, or by going to yorkville-tfs.zoom.us/test. If you are unable to use an alternative browser or install the Zoom application, there are phone numbers provided so you can communicate with others in the video conference via telephone. To join a meeting, you can either use the meeting code or click the direct link provided in the invitation email. Visit support.zoom.us if you'd like to learn more about Zoom and how to use its features.